Trí seachtain eile san orú díon glasa sinné díon glasa rud go sin. Níl mé dul áit éigen ar fear ar a leid trí seachtain eile, so tá canna a go manis. Lis go bhfuil scagra ar YouTube chuig fumanach súla sin as cum níl aon duine brathnuair, so agam sé ar an graph tá duine bháin a ceapan sé sin mise ag cheicáil ar. Agus a canna rud éigen a gom ceann seo. Agus beidir is féidirlam mar sa quarantine. Dí a gcuid Cártaí X chun sto cuasaí. How's it going, Cártaí? Níl amach ag blah blah blah. Let's go actually cad é an gailge ar rambling. Sin céad aistriú like an rambling. Spastóir sin bhí sé bhí sé in instant agamach. Sin martá. The good faultish stock. Welcome, Cártaí X. Anam Jas. Okay, inish. Care of Danta gum. I'm doing it. Well, on quid gum. Okay, Renimer. V electables Danta gum. V electrode. Or have Pidgeotto. Nirev. So Toe Electrode. Electrode? Neil Electrode. Not well? Octo Electabuzz. Oh, Shinna Electresque. Calculate. So Pidgeotto and K Canela. Calculate. Shinna. So, this Pokemon came a Doe. No, came a Hain. Alright, so, Ta Pidgey Colmon. So, Avlodin Color. Like Colmon. Clar, Sean Carter tágaing. Sinead lad. An Willem Pictorium. Top. Shingabra. Herclar. So, Shaska, Pointa. Shimmer. PS. Shit. Keklar. Bird Pokemon. Shineska. Pokemon. And tá Neil Cluagum. Neil Cade Cluagum faoin Tishel Ginanduk. Ain. Keklar. Tua's gom tá declension ag point leisach níl clú agam faoi sin. Let's fod 3 agus shocked. Miochan Jessica Shea punt. Whirlwind sin séad an si mar soldum a cad tá alright cín eile gan seo so umgui cúfach
Cuifach.
cool tú sin so tá
Cuifach.
Cuifach. Cuifach.
is dóigh sin an focail is fearr an sin cúfach ó bhfuil mar cópla beag gom an seo oh shit fan made Is an cáil siad sé imethe is tá siad imethe also gone scarecrow. Okay, if your opponent has any bench Pokemon, so Mata in Pokemon Egg do Kayla Korok. If your opponent has a bench Pokemon, Mata in Pokemon Egg do Kayla Pokemon Air Biensha Egg do Kayla Korok. He or she chooses one of them. Brownie and Shay. No, she. Kanawan. Kanawan August. Cad é an bríthir séir málartig switch málartig í ahraig sin é málartíoch Martiach leis switches it with the defending Pokemon. Martiach leis on Pokemon Cousins. Do the damage before switching Pokemon. Then no Danter on Moshta. Riv on Mahler 2. For the Switch. We have a Mahler 2. Talk about. Oh, Caldwell McCown and knocked. Mirror move. Jin Jacker, just knocked him. Caught a Keely and shake. On Froza mirror move. On Froza on expressionation. Osberla Nilsum. So mirror is Skahan. Come on, let's go. Yeah, let's go on Chin Froza Osberla mirror move. So, it's a mirror move, so to mirror someone's move. So, on Will, on Breheration. Let's go on Neil Bree. Oh, Canna, Kaklar. So, they imitate. Kekler, so to say Ahrish Adana there, so Ahrish Octra Bart Neil Ba. Glue up Neil. I brew it Neil. Act deed. Shine. Gniv. No, Fionn Ahrish. Imitation. Anshin and Focal Cart. Irish. Imitation, narration, recital of it. Shine. Cap. Yeah. Actually, scare on. I can't revound. Okay, if Pidgeotto's attack last turn, Ma on Siuk Colmon Moss on Siuk. Actually, Moss? No, Moss on Siuk Colmon. On last turn, I'm about to show Katja. Do the final result of that attack. Then on Turha Den then on C final Mas on C Kalman an about Shikata. Dan on her then on C Shaw Erkalman. D on Pokemon Cousin. Yeah, let's go on Celerition. Mirror move. If Pidgeotto was attacked last turn, Do the final result of that attack on Pidgeot to the defending Pokemon. Ahrish, mas an sia Culmon and Beta Shakata, Dane and Turha, den Unsi Shaw or Culmon, Goodzi and Pokemon and Cousins. Ceap sé go bra a níis beidir tu mé arás chuige. Is go Trude Lude Trucka agus very protective of its sprawling territory. Protective Cossentuck. Cossentuck. No, Cossentuck.
Cosanta.
Cosintach.
So it's Cousins and Focus, though. Focus Catinta. Then territory. Now this is going. Kriaka. Sprawling Ulvor. Let's go on, we'll fuck on these fair. Farsing.
Farshing.
Farshing. Nima, Nilsugum. Okay, this Pokemon will fiercely peck at any intruder. Peck. Pyoka, Pyok. Pyokin on one shot. Pyok egg? Oh. No, Pyok and a Pokemon show. Fiercely. Better go Fionn. And Intruder. Oh, to Anaquid Focal, the card to Shauna was Intruder. Unroar.
Unroar.
Elaine. Strong share, Shinny's fair. Darren she'd unroar and show. Neil Lane slug down let unroar into, so this is very protective of its sprawling territory, this Pokemon will fiercely peck at any intruder. On cousin to the Kriaka, Ulvor Fane, Pyokin and Pokemon Shaw, go Fionn, Ain Strong Cherry. Kirklor. Avail Ricochet. Ever Shock to you. Shingakra. Talk him up. Arcanine. Cacklor. So, Codaglator. Arc 9. Orsa cool. Cacklor. Is Kamahane. Growlit. Drantong. Well, Cacklor. Tá sé gam nach bhfuil. Better not. Neil. Ceam for me an Growlit, not. So Neil Pictor a gum. Uh-oh. Tá cean sin a gum. Better make sé sin Cacklor. Ceapan tá na pictúí cáilte a gom inis sin é dhéana pictúr eile a gom. Better call me just an cean like Orsa cool. That's your Cacklor. Legendary Pokemon. Pokemon Mewtwo. What Shay August Tree Meowkin Cacklor, so Flamethrower. Telgor Lasrock. Ní anamai sin curbe, Neil. Cach Lasrock. Cach Lasrock breathe fire. But sin Cacklor. Cacklor. So discard 1 fire energy. Cá ut Fuinuv Tina Oin. Can go to the Orsa cool. Can us unsee shot. An can us? No, can us. Sé úsáte gom áte gan eile. Can íocha, Cacklor. Cacklor, takedown. Let's go on Fraza, Buena News, Tour News, Toga News. Buena News is far. The Torm Shafane. Arcanine does 30 damage to itself. Denter trucke. De moiste do Orsicle. A Pokemon that has been long admired for its beauty. Okay. Pokemon atá coil aige the it's got beauty mar animal beauty mar oilacht careful. It runs gracefully as if on wings. Cé a scríomh na Cártaí seo. Written sé go gracefully. Seo anna a dachas sin a folklore gaga. Go grosstúil. Written sé go grosstúil as if on wings. Is go raibh cad é etí an olra. Ete agus etí. Etí, sure. Written sé go grosstúil owl is go raibh etí aige. He runs gracefully as though he had wings. Big review ago. Nartá siad createna bitter yog me. Bitter is fairlum dinne LOL can brathnú gach na slucht seo. Agus táimid fellm rudí agus mé aistriú an seach an chicata dúirt inlumm bacóir dom an bríthir séir úsáid átaí cosúla seo a déantar in áit a déanaan nó déan like na onsaígalar agus so bacóir dom dulrásin is agus cúpla rudí athrú an gúil sé gachrod mar chéana. Céad Pokémon eile? No. Charmeleon. Tá an picture like Charmeleon. So chail mé an ceann do Arcanine sinnaim. Sinné an lad. So Charmeleon. Gwalion. Well, it's one of them. So on Charmander, no, Goulamander. Neil Pictor going fós. Hakler, Sean mar tá gom. Do pointe what Pokemon Last Rook. slash. Bhí rud cosúla sin. Bhí thrash going. This going to have slash over show. No rev. Bhí trash. No, ní rev. Slash prices. Níl sin atá. Cut, especially with violence. Queen mé sin tá bhí mé chuné sin úsáid ach úsáid mé fa leile. Whoops. Gear sin é. Ba chóir go mbeidh Excel doc a gom nó rud éigean. Tá beag anam na chuna ionsaí éagsúla gom inis leigean an rud céanna. An bhfuil gear a gom feiceadh mé inis so tá búil lascasar le scúfach a thuis carn sicach. So tá sin fuck okay now, so yeah, 5 out. Hey, Keckler. So flamethrower Vishay going Amadehan Kothlosruk. Beg XL doc gun. Okay, the copage XL gun. Okay, shocked in Ella. Agus beg fucklore more than a unsa Pokemon ago. Okay, discard 1 fire energy. Shaw on a Katinta Kotwoods. Foiniv one. Ní mála man focail seo ceangailte tá focail attached as béarla ach is féidir lom aon focail úsáid like sin agus tá cúpla den ionsaí seo tá an slucht ascailga anna ada mar sin bhálam ceangailte athrú go dtí foinniuh ag buint leis níl sé sin níos fearr sin an méid céine litricha so níos agam an sin níos fearr buine leis some clása sin níl éon é luas ceangailte le Gaeilge can Iacha as an si seo. Alaga Ishka one of us rather be Elu hen. When it swings its burning tail, it raises the temperature to unbearably high levels. Okay. Swing, cos, cov, swing, it's on focal calcigum nish, luba. Lewisk. Okay, when he swings his tail. Nora Lusk and Shay Airball. Need burning, so níl sé dóite. So sé egg dói. Burning, and we'll tree hinna Kiachruk. Yes, yeah. Oh, sin cosúla the Kiac. Story. Ceis na mór Lasta. Ooh, Lasta, sin ma. Sin go ma. Lasta. He raises the temperature. Ordine sé. On I see I'm fucking can temperature choked. Ordine sé an choked. Ar lús gan sé arbal as ordine sé an choked. To unbearably high levels. Unbearably. Miltonach. Can't. Good Domita. Kind of Domita. Hellish. Think about. Trocado ever quick. Okay, Canela. No. Dugong. Yeah. Ní clean them the Pictoria Show oil. Come on, shit. Toss it. Glad they came a hand. Cut out. Roan Moore. August the Seal Roan. Níl sé ro croth. I bring shit. Well, the seal just seal, so níl é croth gus ag tastóil ach I will seal again. Níl seal. Wait, sea lion Pokemon. Sin Roan more. Well, sea lion shit seal ag sin Roan. More Roan. I say Roan more. Roan more is a more Roan Pokemon. Oh, couple of days sa chatnish. Tualach the Burka gone rudder Billero Clihi Rivera Diagwit Gach in a falta stock Ní straw ord Fuinavake Nílmach Leiv couple ruddy August Dane aistriú August do Canna Leon Ulagum the Borg will 3 shocked in Ella going Graham stock so Táim I tógan go bogé. Calculate Aurora Beam. Like beam Captain Táim go sóid ga. Ga Marvel confused Ray sinné kind of gone ga ball going hyper beam sto ik weet them. So nish I'm a day of Ronmore Aurora Beam so it was ga a reach. Kind of an Aurora. It's Malame shit. Gallon. So na gallon has of na gallon hui. Shim gama. Regular. And will tishel ginaduk. Gallon. Regular. August 10 shishin gamal kalo. Shin harbor. Ga gallon. Galloin. Well, some sauce to the shin. August brother bill street for shin. Or ice beam. Ga ire. No ira. Cutting Neil Nivian clue on fwyn tishel gynad of reef. It's just an ire. No, sorry, freeze. Shimmer dan shin, I will, current shay free. Ga row. Tiro Kyoto. Ga row to. Ga shukon. To ga irony svar. Ga fucht. It's the way we'll got iron can fair. Got shocked at me dinner again a Sholan rud again dum August togan sheet a rash river ekum shay. So, flip a coin. Cop bound. If heads. Moss. Can a. The defending Pokemon is now paralyzed. So, Togan. Paralish. Air on Pokemon. A. Cousins. Ein yes a chat must mean live in Cártaí Eshkin to thought dance gum Hanafane just Aberlum August Svedlum attach bond those Bonfus rather bit Hindo tree Kaklar August more tall Torm shit more tall Tormi go if we aistriú was fair that May Cártaí Neil Gaeilge furfa a gomsa the car a bit, so it's fair that Carolum stores thermal energy in its body. Store Vian fuckle shinagum and store collect stock store all Neil sauce to the shin. Danish store all air. Tá Pikachu tá gá de Pikachu difriúil déinte gan fiú an agus Raichu. So sin é an Pikachu ón an balacán banúsach le litrú Gaeilge Pikachu. Tá Pikachu speisialta ó blianta ó hin an birthday Pikachu, an Pikachu Breathlaw. Atá in aigens lí gach éon commórtas Cártaí atá down like Cártaí Pokémon. So sin é so is an Pikachu le agus líonn tú isteach do anam féin. Agus mar thuir sé déanaan an Pikachu níos mó na máiste más é do Breathlaw. Agus mar sin ní féidir é úsáid a commórtas ag an deire an seo líonn tú isteach do Breathlaw. It's féidir le rud be a chur isteach an sin. Tá Raichu agam freisin a rís leis an litríocht Gaeilge. Ní má an picúir tá sé ceaptá picúir níos fearún. Ag sin é agility aclaíocht agus thunder tarnach ceapan. So sin é an Raichu. Má ein Pokémon eile málat ecin tá fós an seo seoráil ar thermal energy sin teocht so nach bhfuil heat teocht tas teocht seo. In its body in a curb fan. Fiber bay, clí, reaver. Swims at a steady 8 knots. Kirkler. Snow and Shay. 8 knots. 8 knots, let's go. If you lose Shay, where we listen or fine. Okay, so Snow and Shay. The Lewis Oct, where we listen or. Snow and Shay. Neil. Fui. Lewis. Oct, where we listen or. Even in intensely cold waters, few on in Ishka intensely cold. Haravef for Jackwar. Fearor. Level, Dahad Do, Hiver, two shots. Clear, Shannon Rowan Moore. August Nishin. Okay. Dratini, Tá Dratini dance ago. Dragonine. Ceam go tháinig mé ar Dratini Hanafin. Bhí sin an tain anam athraigh mé asan an láthnach ar Reddit. Bhí Dratini an sin dragon beag ach taobh faoin post tá níos mó daoine ag léirú animnacha eile agus tá draganí an le routine atá bháil níos fearr ceapan. Tá an research déanta ag an duine athrú na animacha léir ach beidir ní file é. Farfetched. Cod is féidir a rá le farfetched. Ní dócha. Sin an bhá actually. It's mála bheith sin. Calcular an bhfuil. Tá anna chuid pictórií gom ach chail mé an ceann le an arcanine sé at fanna méid tá calcular. Aircore, so wild duck Pokemon. Cártaí Táim déanta go inis lácha sinné. Pokemon lácha Fion. Wild duck Pokemon. Glur Fod. Dog's shocked. Yokon. Leak slap. Oh well. Neil Keinte go Gaeilge leak. Oh top. Canyon.
Canyon.
Cannon. Found a mate. Cártaí slap. Right, like it. Like a cannon. Ní mála mé sin. Ach sin éon focail leak. Níl saoirse gom. Calcular. Flip a coin. Cock down. If tails. Moss. Crit A. Need to enter flack. This attack does nothing. Either way, this is going dull on scale. On will frauds that are going. Mark Halo. Peish Gaeilge. Sin is fair. Either way, you can't use this attack again as long as Farfetch stays in play. Fader on Sisha Usoid Arish. agus dócha in play is belief no back to okay, so in play Aaron Ward. So in play Xula Shen Pokemon active Token Byoka no Aaron Bean Shen. Oh, tá sé ro ten nocht. This one got a horror. Oh, the rat a horror show later. Fos a clear. Oh, we shouldn't layer go lower. Can't take care of them. Okay. Even putting Farfetch on the bench when I use it again. Yo, more one. 10 Doka do Vinsha. Like a kind of caught bound, must crute need to enter fwack. Pay scale out, ni fader and unsi show, so the reach agus ni doga fos a clear. If you want, what 10 ni doga di on Vinsha. Shin Solaire Glor. Tá unsi on a at ag Farfetch. Leak slap agus pot smash. Agor. Smash. Bhí sé sin agam nach bhfuil. Pot putte nach bhfuil. Putte. Sé. The sprig of green onions it holds is its weapon. Say arm sprig. Gravoic green onion. Say an arm on Gravoic onion. Atá, yeah. He holds this sprig is used much like a metal sword. So it's here on Gravoic Xula Cleave Mewtwo. Ugh, Shin Corta on a Kyoto them. Malaman Shin Curb. Agus Malaman Adam. Nidoka Shin on Kin Wanda na Kate Adam a hat and lot. Yeah. Could him Octotree in that? Kakla Shin Nidoka. Sin an growlet in ish. So this comes up to anam atige. Drawn town. Yeah, ní mála me sin. Puppy. Do. Scar. Jochen. Go ahead and do once. Flare is the loss. I'm gonna fuck around like flare. Tá Lasser, tá Blime.
Blime.
Blade.
Blime.
Blade.
Blire.
Blide.
Lyra. Oh, and Fairlad Blime. Yeah, Carclor. Tá sin níos gear. Bonus, rudder B, Ailu, a hain. Very protective of its territory. Fi, rud canna le Pidgeotto. Anna custom to then. Karashe territory. Kriyakum. Bark and bite to repel intruders from its base. Maybe bark. Okay. Being or repel. Rugenshare. Intruders are strong sherry stoic. Rugenshare are strong sherry. Tree. Toffen, shin bark. Toffen, shin dorche. Toffen. Bark and bite. Bite no I could be. Toffen agus plaque. One module plaque. So it attacks strangers with barks and bites. Shinkarklor. Well. Yes, false. Level octug. Ever. Quega. Can one of that. Haunter. Oh, is school. Tá chun bás leis an teocht. Is níl sin macana sin fear isce tá go man is. Gaclar. Tá going in is. Hunter. Gnáthógaí. You have loading o golfer. Gaclar. Gas Pokemon. Shouldn't gas, not well. Gas, gas. Goss. Gaclar, hypnosis. Okay, hypnosis. If any Pokemon is now asleep, Titan on Pokemon egg, custant in a color. Dream Eater. An bhfuil foco súla eater ihador Norwegian. Itor. Oh.
Itor.
Or bring load to. You can't use this attack unless the defending Pokemon is asleep. Ní féidir. See, sure. Usoid. What will Pokemon a constant in a color? Okay. Because of its ability to slip through block walls, okay, brick walls, it is said to be from another dimension. The war gur féidir leis níl sé ag siúil tríd slip through. Oh, ag sleanú. Is féidir leis. Sleanú tríd Bali Brica, nachhfuil? Brica, sinné. De borgur féidir leis lena tríd Bali Brica. Deirtear gur as dimension clúgam. Conas a dúir conas a raibh na Gael orsa ag leabhart faoi dimensions difriúil. Tá is going gur siad ag leabhart faoi an mar fad. Gné níl sin níl convincing quality. Sí sin tá sé ro sin é rud tá an úsáid seo don focail dimension as béle níl éon cíal leis Tás nach bhfuil ar televís deirtear ar dimension cosúla dain omlán difriúil agus tá physical difriúlach níl sin an cíal leis an focail dimension as béle so níl aistriú má do universe beidir dain saoil well sin é níl focail crin Gras saoil online eile iad sin go bra level do over no patry Cackler, Ivysaur. Oh, found a mate. Mate Daruderun. Shaska. Cackler. Spoke on came a hand. Hey. I non-sore. An féile is sin Albert cuaigán go top it. I non-sore. Alright, agus Bulbasaur is Bulgonsaur. Bulgonsaur is a calcular. Einjonsaur. Nescum. I will pick Tor. Neil came the Bulbasaur going. Calcular. Seed Pokemon. Pokemon Shield. Fod. Tree. Agus Tree. Mjolkan, Fitney, Punts. Cackler, Vine Whip. Niels is going fuckle like Vine, no one fuckle like Whip. Whip. Cut in. Shini's fair lask. To drop her out Faye. Fé.
Fé.
Ask. Yes, go faoin focail seo fé. Tá sé níos géir ach is agam fé load, nerve, thread, vein. Nah, níl sin é. Finiún, no. So finiún is grapevine. Oh, finiún. Yeah, níl sin. Drapper, so. Agus on drapper, yeah. Poison powder. So tá niv, she's like venom, níl poison powder. Puder, smoother. I got puder niv. So the defending poker is now paralyzed. Tuggin. So Dermsha Trualu. Trualu. Let's go. Shashana Kilver, Nakul Trualu. Air on. Defending poker is now poison. Tuggin Trualu air on Pokemon a constant. So Shin Shimmer Usaiter like poison agam sa so Trualu to the pollution, so some Pokemon polluted, contaminated Shin. Man Usaiter Shin Neil not Niv like gawking road. Talking Niv Aaron Pokemon, awesome Puder, Niv Tá focail éagsúla ún mar sin Trualu tágam. When the bulb on his back grows large, the Pokemon seems to lose the ability to stand on its hind legs. Okay, Nora Irene on bulb is Bulgon, not cool? Bulgon, yeah. Now, Irene on Bulgon Ericrim. Rovor. The Pokemon seems to lose the ability to stand on line legs. Is Aulig. It seems. Knock. Fader Lesh. Pokemon Shaw. Shasu Air. Hind legs. Ericosadera. Ní féidir leis ní féidir leis éirí ar cosa deireadh. Bhéal fiche gur dó. Agus an PS reach. Glór. So tá Jinx. Is fecim se an bhfuil aon duine brathnú fós Bertig. Yeah. Bertig over found. Talk him up. Tá sé fós an seo. Anha. Glór. Jinx. Jinx. Meow. Glór. I bring shit me all clutching shit to August fake and shit to Shanavan. So me all so it's Kasula can human shape Pokemon. Pokemon then Croc Dana. Fod, Car Agus Shocked, Miokan, Noka Punts. Double slap. Slap on Bull, Shannon, Wasog. Will duels, yeah. Ka, go, bound. Flip 2 coins, ka, go, bound. This attack does 10 damage times the number of heads. To enter the Moshta Os Gok Kian Kian Titan flip 2 coins, attack does 10 damage times the number of heads. Call bound, they enter dead Moshta Os Gokyan at Titan. This comes for you, Shin of Meditate, Select Machnig, yeah. Machnov. Consideration, contemplation, deliberation, yeah. Oop, Cocknov. Okay, does 20 damage plus. Okay, danger. Fihe. Demosh August. Plus 10 more damage. I was dead. Demosh Ella. For each damage counter on the defending Pokemon. Osgok. Knappa. Demosh Air on Pokemon Cousins. Okay, merely by meditating, the Pokemon launches a powerful psychic energy attack. Merely. Níoscom for sin. Merely. Okay, so 3 mock. Nov 1. Saturday. Unsi Siachuk Kuoktuk launch Telig
Telig.
Kahav beter? It's Telig Kakawai. Level 3. So Cadabra. Ceap nach bhfuil aistriú ar an anam Cadabra. So Cadabra. Oh yeah, bhí ahraigh mé an litríocht do Alakazam ach Ní ar bhanam man. Cadabra. Yeah. Chicago. Skip PS. Sai Pokémon. Pokémon. See cook. New Fuckle and Fuckle Sai. So. Tá sé Jackers a school Gramaduk. Fósach ag na Cártaí Pokémon as béarla. Milk and recover. Tiarnig. Ternic. Come on, scale.
Tairnig.
Discard 1 psychic energy. It's Winiv. Winiv Siakak 1. Shikak 1. Can I go to the Cadabra? Can Iker us on MC Shaw. Remove all damage counters from Cadabra. Cotwoods, Gok, Knappa, Demoshta, Air, Cadabra. TTV Jordan, Falter Rush. Dúir tú go méid tú arás agus tháinig tú anhá. Cá uas gach canapa junior cert is cancelled. Céin fád tú an seo ag fel an Gaeilge lomsa so. Well, fuck on this part. Remove Tog one. No. Kijk waar. Buin gach cap het mooiste als kadaver. Sin is fair. Showing what is a Kerstacker. Super sai. Neil ni fakkel barely sai. Neil so Sor Shikok, super psychic. Gerglor Octo Keelish. Cordigus the Jordan. Don Tassis Cade and Junior Cert. Tassis Heinshruts and Tassis Hosher. Finny. Rud éigen go súla sin, let's go. Is sin an blianta go manis. It emits special alpha waves from its body that induce headaches even to those just nearby. Ugh. Tinnis keen or a wine och leave on sluction. Ugh. Pianation aistriú. It emits special alpha waves. Short rud of tá scríbte ag déine as bear knock rev clue a cup fui rud atá scríbe. Oh, it emits special alpha waves. Scapan sé down to especially to alpha waves. Well, Neil alpha wave to alpha male. Cut agent. Fear not alpha. Calculate. Down to alpha special to own gorp induce headaches even to those just nearby. Turin tennis keen pay me atá Gerdo. It emits special alpha waves from its body that induce headaches even to those just nearby. Scapan sé taunta alpha specialta on Garp a Turin tennis keen do pay dinner atá Gerdo. Level Troca Oct Iver Shaska Car. Oh, an teocht a siom mar seo tá sé. Dochrete. So Kakuna Captain is Kakuna Fos. Cocoon, yeah. Gurgler. On Will Neil Weedle ago on Pictor. Catá bhfuil chun déon iarach leis an fág Cadí sin Péist snáid Carcolor. It's on picture gum. Tá sé áit éigeanna gum. Cúna. Agus Tom Cínta Tá seantais mathirí go léir cosú le cocoon inis tá si cocooned up taobh stig an déanamh rudder be sa phoblaí so cocoon agus an tuisiil gine no cocoon Carcolor. Yoga Fido Puts. So initial na focal dodgy stiffen. Stalk. So echelon simple. Stalk. Stiff. Start strike. I've got Shinny and Bree here, so I'm going to Shinny so it's stalk. Flip a coin. Cough down. If heads, moss, can a prevent all damage on this. Gaeilge, Gach, Most prevent all damage done to Cocoon. Gaeilge, Gach, Most Deer Air Cocoon. Re on kids. To Ella egg do during your opponent's next turn. A re on Kate bet Ella egg do Kayla Korik. Any other effects of attacks still happen. And if it took Ella As once Harley and Sheet Fos. Poison powder, Arish. So it's Puder Niva. Flip a coin. If heads, if any Pokemon have poisons. Be sure to show a gum egg. Oh, okay. Yes, I come on the show. Calm down. Moss count A. Toggin Trulu Air on Pokemon Egg Cousins. Almost incapable of moving, this Pokemon can only harden its shell to protect itself from predators. Bio, no. Able to bug Egan. Ní féidir leis Pokemon seo ach Harden. Cruig harden its shell. Cruig shell Slugon. Kijk harden its shell to protect itself from predators. Cruig Slugon can a vein cosint o predators. Crackdoor. Oof. Fowly Gnate. Krakori. Aklar Shine. Oh, Krakori. Level 3. Never carded. So, tá go fécin inis céhhéad atá déanta. So, tá achar an seo híos go cún déanta. So, céhhéad eile atá 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Caclóir. So, 8 Cártaí eile agus tá an balcón ar fád déanta gom. Is sin ro olk curb it. There's no issue. She on a tet notes. On a tet. This gum cut a harlot. Couple of law and be shay on a four. Okay, calculator. So, show a machoke. Tá macho fargachtach. Agus éilún sé ó fargachtar. Okay. Superpower Pokemon. So we're cooked. Fod. August. Hindurg. Milken. Punt. Kickler. Karate chop. On will. Oh, tá an a fist got shot. On will froze down. Like karate chop. Smutta karate. Baker sin. Níl ro sásta leis an litir K úsáid. No, tuais gom úsáidir hí I cúpla focail inis as go. Ní mála mé sin ach an uird. Ach, no, sin mar atá ar an focail so rudder bés féadún dhéanamh agus an focail karate sé go bra. It's 50 damage, minus 10 damage for each damage counter on that joke. D'accord. Enter Quega. Demolish the Luge. Conas latrine to Luge. Ní connig me a latrine mock Reeve. Luge. Crackler. Shinny Seska. Luge de. Demolish the Gok. Knappa. Demolish the air. Farg. This is a Farg agus cad é choke tá sé sin an partel an focail níos gom tactaracht nach bhfuil tacta yeah so Farg gachta yeah okay submission yep access made nope initiation argument Neil giving in but right submission hold is the way so wrestling twice ago yeah right solution mobilize Sónathe in aig an balla Cacor Sóin Sóin the got in Sóin to trap sin Cacor Sorry, matchup does 20 damage to itself. Okay, enter Fiha Mosh to Fargatuk. Shaska. So Laga, Shiko. Bonus, Rudder B, Costas Ailu, Indo Tree. Okay, so its muscular body is so powerful that it must wear a power save belt to help regulate its motions. Okay. Carp, muscular. Matónach. Oh, small mission. Corp Matónach. So powerful. Cooktuk. Shin. He must wear a power save belt. Power save belt? Will er. Okay. Power save belt. I'm just Chris special belt. Have motions of the motion of a glue shuct. To regulate its motions. Tá mé taiispeáint má leaga leis an folklór inis. A rialig. It's má mé sin, a rialig. A rialú. A bhfuil dáthúid iver seasca seacht. Magikarp. Sin go sin cinna bhaint in a Pokémon bhfuil going agus is málam an anam a spirit a scoilge. Anam anhaige a scoilge. Feicir seo. Dríosc. So it's anam fuirfa é sin. Thomláin fuirfa. Sprálam é sin. Fish Pokemon is. De fád dó agus hindóg meáchan fidó punt. Nach bhfuil sé go má go hiar Cuid is mód an anamnica seo tá cíallómh ach níl éon crack as ach dríosc sin fuirfa. Ceacair an raibh focail agam like tackle hana féin. Ceapan go raibh an méid na. Bhfuil lasc ar leis ahris tackle sin é. Of course it is. Flail. Flail of limbs, body. Yeah, shouldn't count. Lusk. Okay. Enter. Okay. Does 10 damage times the number of damage counters on Magikarp. Enter the Mosh the Pass Gok Knappa Mosh the Air Driesk. Sin cinna bunim soltas Cuairdigh mé folklore punkaí an terma counter. Agus níor méid siúil go méach focail leon ach bhí an focail knappa siúil button nó sin é knappa a button basically token beag is féidir le úsáid as so knappa de máiste sé anna litrúil ach sin sé anna simplí is sé terma má. Ceachtlar, so laga sin electricus bonus rudder bit éú hen. In the distant past, it was stronger than its horribly weak descendants that exist today. An a díma ag an sail fad in ag dríosc. The distant past. Vado hin, yeah. Strong, okay, in the distant past, Vado hin, bhí sé níos Loider no descendants. Ooh, fado is mála mé sin. Oh, sin bhhad níos fearr. Fado. Agus bhí siad is dói. Bhí níos móna ceanna bháin. Bhí sé níos Loider no slúchtach. So descendants slúchtach. Okay, it was stronger than its horribly weak descendants that exist today. Slúchtach laga ufosach atá going in you. In the distant past, it was stronger than its horribly weak descendants that exist today. Fado bhí sé níos Loider ná slúchtach laga ufosach atá going in you. It's mála mé sin. Level hooked. Ever. Céad fihinne. Magmar. Lavlit. Carcor. Yasugum. Ag deire an tionscadal seo, Táim chun na comments go léir a léamh sa post seo, agus anamnacha éagsúla a athrú ach dúircan is Táim sásta anam seo úsáid ach cúpla ceann níos siad rómha tá siad deacair le rá fiú Beidir níl an fún cearta a ceanna gom Lavlit yes gom Caclar so sin Dorn Tinnan Dorn Spasialta Dorn Kosha oops Tinnan no Tinnan, yeah. Okay, flamethrower, V session are going Cathlasrach sin é. Cathlasrach's cosúil breed fire, so Cotwood, sorry, discard 1 fire energy. So Cotwood's Winniv discard 1 fire energy card attached to Magmar in order to use this attack. Cotwood Winniv Tina a 1 can go to Lavlitz Con Ica os on see show. Quite good. Laga Ishka Bulenhus Rudder Bi Elu Hindo. Its body always burns with an orange glow that enables it to hide perfectly among flames. Tug Lucian David Stockton alarm. It's an alarm or show. Oop. Its body always burns. Being a curp a doughy. Can't do it, me, Hannafin. Burning. Convert its energy to produce heat or energy. Burning on fire. Trihina lost Shin and Fuckles fair. But its body always burns. Being a corp lost a Goni. Orange glow. Lonru, yeah, Lonru Arosh to Shinan Da Arosh to Neil One Turha. Arosh to Kakla. That enables it to hide perfectly. Okay, Tom can shook that. I'll see what I show. Svedrelesh Dola Volok hide. Hide. Just hide. Fan. Okay, is Vedelesh follow a mask. Lasterka. It's follow for a mask Lasterka. Level Fikar. It's for her shame. Kakor Kikiana Nidarino. Wat een post die ik bracht nu. Neil me gold rudder bit. Ach, Ishka. Rud bit. Caclar. Nidorino. Nido Rosron. Nidoru Shron. So, Evoden O Nido Bannock. Check that. Don't pick two or go multi again. Sinead. Yep. Poison Pin Pokemon. Here, clear. Pokemon Pin? Bjorn. Pokemon Bjorn Niva. Fod, blah blah blah. Yokan. Blah blah blah. Double kick. So kick, just kick, not cool. Calculate kick, double tap. Flip 2 coins. Call, down. This attack does 30 damage times the number of heads. Danter. Trucka. Moshta. Os. Gok. Kian. Titan. Horn drill. Oof. This is drill. Shouldn't care. Drill. Drill. Driller up. Horn. Arc. It. Okay, an aggressive Pokemon that is quick to attack. The horn on its head secretes a powerful venom. Aggressive. Troduck. Small amount. Quick to attack. Quick temper with Tyduck. Okay, so Tyduck is quick temper. So Pokemon Troduck, Tyduck. The horn on its head secretes a powerful venom. Secretes. Okay. Tálan Pyre. Niv. Okay, secretes a powerful venom. Tálan Arc Niv. The Cooktuck. This is going to shin and fuck like Niv. Of drink, drugs, you know. Larger. Back on. Level fit Kuig. You were a tree. So tá hart Captain Kuig dig Cártaí Pokémon inis. Tá so na Cártaí train ollie galéir déanta gom hana féin. Ag sin na cín is Diacra is though leis an aistriú if you want. So tá siad galéir déanta gom rih hosig mé leis an shrub bio. Tá annachcuid in a Pokémon déanta gom níl cúpla cén níl siad críochnathe ach go háirithe na animacha bhálam a go háirt in inmh na animacha ach táthart ar chuig de Pokémon fág is féarlam I seachtain ago beg gachéin ceann críochnathe agam sin é tá déanta agam tá sé tar éis détha clogan is tá sé anathe an seo agus tá thomláin tuirte is ach is trí lá fág agam sa deir seachtain a rivetám arás agobar so tá cuasaí dul go maith Tá an tar éis thosaigh ar grúpa atá ag aistriú an cluiche Witcher 3 go Gaeilge. Níl marrán déanta gom go fóil leis ach chunig duine ag an tros seo beidir tá tú ag fear armor inis agus cuir dom bepáirteach sa tionscadal so más féidir lom déananig mé srá agus mé sé ag aistriú na rudí sin The Witcher ach le beidir gá seachtain eile tám chun an tionscadal lena Cártaí Pokémon a críoc nu beag bailúcháin mór agam chuirigh mé ar fáil ar lína agus is féidir le daoine iad a printáil amach agus úsáid más míonmh más féidir am tá mis chun cóp áil freisin just bailúcháin cúpla decana cúpla pacana de Cártaí chun tríle buintas is dóigh tá sé runní mar seo na cluichí agus radio agus leabhar orscéal tá sé bhád níos fearr chuig teanga elam nó rang scoile staidéir leabhar gramadach rudí mar sin rudí nach bhfuil níl éon scrúdú ag an deire níl lís agam an bhfuil duine ar bit ag éist is fiúháin agus mis ag tuairt TED Talk duine amháin ag breithniú orm sin cearclóir ach sin an sin an smaoinemh atá tír den tionscadal seo is cuairtaí anna cheann Pokémon iad seo ach má tá duine amháin amach an seo a bhainean éon sult as an bailúcháin seo de Cártaí sin é fiúháin tá mé tú an cluichí riomhar a fós tá go má so sin mise an ihe beag mé rais an ine seo chuing beidir beag mé ag srúdóirt cúpla ihe eile sa seachtain ach eicigh mé So an bhuichas as tú féin ag brathnú orm agus ag mé tú an seachtain seo chuing. Slán go fáil, chluí.